Today, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Mazda key fob covering most models from 2018 to 2025. It's quick, easy, and you can do it right at home. All you need is a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Start by flipping the key fob over so the Mazda logo is facing down. Locate the small switch on the side and slide it while pushing the back cover upward. You can use your fingernail or the screwdriver for this. Lift the cover completely off. Next, take out the physical key. Use it to press the small tab in the corner of the fob. This will release the second cover on the opposite side. Remove that cover as well. Inside, you'll see a small plastic tab that holds the battery in place. Use your screwdriver to gently pop it open. It hinges on the right side. Set the cover aside and carefully pry out the old battery. Take your new battery and insert it with the positive side facing up, just like the old one. Press it gently until it sits into place. Place the small battery cover, making sure the right side tab slides in first, then press it down until it snaps. Reattach the cover with the Mazda logo by pressing it back into place. On the other side, reinsert the physical key and slide the final cover back on until it locks. Make sure all 5 small tabs click into place to lock it securely. And that's it! You've just replaced your Mazda key fob battery. Give it a quick test by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to make sure everything works. If it does, you're all set. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Carfixology for more DIY car maintenance tips, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.